Heidi ho, all my little YouTubers. Thanks for checking in. Right, today, another one of my favourites, 50p's. I like these 50 pence coins and the Australian 50 cents. This is a Pride 50p. Quite pretty. I did have one in my shop, but I sold it, so I thought I'd make another one. So first of all, yeah, you guessed it, bang a hole in it. How's everybody doing today? Good? Good. If not, why not? Right, let's go over to Big Bertha and see what she's going to do for us. Sounds like my girlfriend opening up her wallet. Right, there you go. Oh, I forgot to mention, Beer. When I posted your ring, I marked it as a gift and a value of 10 euros, so you don't get done by the customs. They always try to get their little slice out of you, don't they? I love customs. Love them to bits. Right. There you go. We just want to clean out this inside edge. It's not too bad, but it's a bit rough inside. A bit rough and ready. Is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits. Yeah, that half crown video was crazy long, wasn't it? A bloody hour. Plus the other half of the video. I mean, what, hour and a half? Hour and 20 minutes? I will do it again though. And hopefully it'll be better next time. And I noticed I was over there again yesterday, or over there, or you know. Sorry about that. Right, let's warm it up a bit, shall we? Show it some love with Bernie. Well, it's +5 this morning, today, and all the snow's melted. I mean, January and February in Finland are usually the coldest, you know, loads of snow, like loads of snow. But at the moment, we're halfway through the month nearly, and it's quite mild, +4 or 5. Yeah, I'll get my shorts on soon, eh? Right. Let's dry it off a bit. Okay, so we're going to want this on the sunny side up on the ring. Unity, quality. Right, this now goes face down in my 17-degree folding die. And it's a bit too, let's start off on this side. Let's go to big red, big bad red. Let's flip it over. Should fit better now, yeah. Right, there you go. That's the first fold. Break out sandy. I just want to make sure this edge is clean with no cracks forming, splits. I mean, it's looking pretty good. There you go. Pretty damn sexy. Not me, the coin. Well, I am pretty sexy because I drink a lot of Pepsi. Because Pepsi keeps you sexy. Right, let's go over to Spike. I love this tool. Use a bit of kitchen roll in between Spike and the coin. That's not to lose the detail on the inside. And give a bit of a turn each time. That way it stretches the ring equally all the way round. I can't help it. This isn't for anybody in particular. This will be in my shop within the next day or two. And if you want this particular ring, I can adjust the size for you up or down. See how that touches? That's how you want it. But I'll make it a bit bigger. There you go. Right. Let's give it a bit more love with Bernie. With old Bernie. I got another subscriber yesterday. Thank you very much. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could do it for you, no problem. You can even send me your own coins, which a few people do. I've got a web shop, yourfingermyring.com. You can check out some of the rings in there. I can adjust the size, like I say, up or down. Or you can contact me, see what coins I've got. I've got quite a big selection of coins. I've been doing this for 6 months now. Seems like 6 days, you know. Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Right. Let's go over to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reducing dies. This is what straightens up the walls, because see, it's a bit cone shaped. God, that half a crown was a right bugger. I wouldn't sell that though. I wasn't happy with it. But you've got to keep practicing to get it right, you know. And the half crowns are so thick, you can't get them to work properly in these things. That's why I have to use Big Bertha a lot. It's still a bit cone shaped. There you go. Walls are perfectly straight. If only I could use the Swedish wraps to do this as well. I will get there. I think I'll do a silver coin next on that. Right, what size have we got? At the moment, this is a size 62 and a quarter, 62 and a half-ish. But there's a little bit of a lip. There's a little bit of a lip there. You want to cut that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. And it gives you a full sizing. Because you want the whole of the ring to be the same size. If you don't cut this little lip out, that's the only bit you're measuring. So once you cut this out, the whole of the ring should fit you lovely. I will also give this the antique finish. I mean, I won't do it on, I won't film it, but if you want to see it, it'll be in my shop within the next few days. So, but if you want them highly polished, I'll highly polish it for you. You've got sort of three choices. You've got the highly polished look, you've got the antique sort of look, or you've got the Edwin look. What's the Edwin look? And the best way to check it is with your nail. That's pretty sexy. See, that little inside lip is now gone. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. This is just like very fine, well, quad zero steel wool. And before one of my UK people says it's illegal what I'm doing, but what about the coin smashing machines that are all around the world in all the big cities and fun parks? You put your coin in, pull the lever, it flattens the coin and stamps, I don't know, Houses of Parliament or Big Ben or the Big Apple. When I was up the Twin Towers, I got one there for the Twin Towers, so, you know. I think they're more interested in you forging, trying to turn a, you know, €1 coin into a €2 coin, or, you know. Nobody has ever been prosecuted for doing this. You also get the guys that cut coins. There you go. Visibility, equality, unity. There it says please subscribe, and on the inside it says how about hitting the like button, please, thank you. And that's why I use the kitchen roll. so you don't lose the detail. 2022. I will. This relief on this is really good. I will antique this, but it'll be in my shop, and you can check it out there. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.